Hi everyone, this is my new video about our carbon manufacturing of parts. Just actually wanna show you made production but not the process. Wanna catch you in video our goods. See many of them. Okay, let's begin with our G-Wagon. So as you may see, we have full body kit made with carbon fiber on G-Wagon. Look at this contrast between varnished carbon fiber, unvarnished matte carbon fiber, and stock bumper. You can see high contrast between them, between parts. So let's admit that all of those parts, almost all except this front lip, hood and a pillar parts, all of them are unvarnished. So to show you on this video that it's really carbon fiber, not a fake. So as you proceed, we may equip your G-Wagon, if you have one, W463, in everything. So this is carbon fiber white star body kit, carbon snorkels, hood, scoop, air vent, intake covers, A-pillar, front window cover, front lip with LEDs. See, on this video we haven't put LEDs inside, but we sell it with LEDs. Just put parts, to explain more convenient about this, how it fits on car and how it lays. So let's go to our rear part and side big moldings, as you also see. Now catch these carbon fiber moldings. I repeat once again, as I told before, all parts are unvarnished. So you may see quality of almost ready carbon parts. You see this straight light weaving, like as original. We produce aftermarket parts, try to make them as original goods. So let's see on this example a rear spare tire cover made with carbon fiber. It's unvarnished and matte. But this one is varnished but unpolished. Let's not mix these words. So this upper carbon fiber spare cover lays on a ring. That's unvarnished, that's varnished. You may see also Mansory Gronas style front headlamp covers with front grille. It's completed. So we have this totally equipped carbon fiber kit for your G-Wagon. Also, as look at this cool rear spare cover, new style Brabus. We sell aftermarket products, so we don't want to have problem with real Brabus manufacturer. So we sell our production as aftermarket parts, so not original. because you know many people think that we produce original because our quality is enough good and parts fit perfectly. So okay, please subscribe our channel. You may also share this video among your friends, among your G-Wagon friends, owners or like partners. But please don't forget who has got it to you. Thanks.